Hello, my friend, welcome. We are together with one perfect Olympic question. Now we have two in the question. Algebraic and square root. He testified and says it's equal to 1. Asked us to find x value. Now in the first place, I think what can we do? See both sides here. We can start solving the problem by taking the square. What will happen when we apply this now? The square root of x plus 4 squared plus the square root of x minus 1 squared. So, then minus 2 times the square root of x plus 4 times x minus 1 equals 1 will come. Now where did I write this? We can immediately think of this. What was a minus b's bracket squared? A squared plus b squared. We use the property in this part of the problem. If I continue this now, if you pay attention to the 2 here, with the square root here and the 2 here, the square root here will take each other. So what will we have left? If we make a transition from here x plus 4 plus x minus 1 minus 2 times the square root of, there will be the expression, let's write this again as it is, x plus 4 times x minus 1. We get equal to 1 equation. If we're going to edit a little bit now here, what can I get in the continuation of the problem? 2 times x plus 3 minus 2 times. Now I can multiply this part given in this root. X squared minus x plus 4 times x minus 4 is equal to 1. Yes, let's continue this process a little more. What can we do here? This expression we see here, we can throw it directly to the opposite side. What will happen if we throw it to the other side? Minus 2 times in the square root of, and let's try to edit the expression here. X squared plus 3 times x minus 4 is equal to, what comes? Minus. We get 2 times x minus 3 plus 1. Let's advance our equation a little more. What will we come across here? Look, if we organize this place, we get minus 2 times x. If you pay attention now, I'm here on both sides. I can divide by minus 2. I divided the expression here by minus 2. In this case, the square root. X squared plus 3 times x minus 4 is equal to, we get the equation 1 plus x. Now what can we do next? We will have to get rid of the square root again. Both sides. Let's try to square it again. If you pay attention, this part will simplify. Right there. If I edit, what was the parenthesis squared of a plus b? A squared plus 2 times a times b plus b squared. Then let's apply it right in this part. What will happen? X squared plus 3 times x. 4 is equal. We get x squared plus 2x plus 1. If you notice x squares here, each other, we'll simplify. What will be left? 3x. Throw this right over to the other side. 2x is equal to 4 plus 1. The expression we call x, we can say it is 5. Good one Olympic question. Which country do you think might have a question? Please specify this in the comments, videos. If you think it is informative, please don't forget to share with your friends. You can like the video and let those who need this video see it. You can watch other videos on the channel. You can subscribe to my channel. See you on the next Olympic question. Bye-bye.